everyone, this is Amanda Wray coming to you with a quick video about direct mail, and what I want to do is share some payment proof with you, but not only that, talk to you about why I chose to work with this program, and not only that, how you can get started quickly, and not only that, how you can get the training that you need, you can get your flyer and actually be a part of this opportunity. The great thing is we have a promotion that's going on right now that you can actually get involved in, and I'm going to share more with you about the promotion and how that works. So please stay till the end, because I'm going to include the bonuses that's available, and not only that, give you some important information. The video is not going to be that long, so if you can stay to the end, that'd gladly be appreciated. So here, what I want to do first is share with you some payment proof. I've been doing direct mail since 2016, and it has allowed me to earn a full-time income. Not only that, I've been teaching others how to do the same. And the reason why I decided to pick direct mail is because a lot of people were failing and having a hard time with earning online. I was one of those people back in 2015, and then someone shared with me direct mail and how it can actually start helping me to earn a full-time income and leave my job once and for all. I've been financially free since 2016 and teaching others how to do the same. So what I want to do is basically go to the last 4 weeks, what I've been able to make $9,584, a net volume of $9,180. And over the last 3 months, I've been able to bring in over $40,000 in gross volume and a net volume of $38,649, mainly just promoting direct mail. I started out with offline, and I've incorporated online as well, because I was able to do so by learning some simple strategies that anyone can follow when they start this opportunity. So Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail flyer program, and when you get started, you're going to get a flyer that's going to look like this. Now, they have a total of 5 different levels that you can come in at, $100 being the lowest, but right now at the promotion level, which is the Ruby, Sapphire, and Diamond level, you're going to automatically get bumped up to the next level. So if you're coming at the Ruby, which is $250, you're going to be bumped up to the Sapphire level, which normally costs $500. If you come in as a Sapphire member, which is $500, you're going to be bumped to the Diamond level, which is normally $2,000, okay? When you come in, you're going to send in your payment along with stamps. You can also pay electronically. Just reach out to me and I'll give you that information. But you're going to be paid member to member by each person that joins you, and you can either get paid electronically or directly by mail. These are all one-time payments, okay? And from each level, you're going to be able to earn unlimited on that level, but not only that, the levels below it. So as an example, if you came in as a Sapphire and someone came in under you as Ruby, you're going to receive $150 from that person, along with 2 books of stamps, okay? Your flyer is going to look like this. It's going to have your information here at the bottom, along with your sponsor, which hopefully is me, and the information for admin. Once the payments are verified that they have been received, you will get a letter that looks like this, and then you will be able to get a website where you can attach your flyer to. So when somebody want to get started, all they have to do is go here, click on this Get Started Now, and it's going to take them directly to your flyer for them to have access to. The website just basically shares information on how the program works, what to expect when you get started. There's a short video here that explains how the program works, and anyone that's living in the United States or Canada can start this opportunity and start to earn a full-time income. Again, this is not a get-rich-quick overnight. This is a real opportunity where you can earn real money. It will take some time and effort on your end, and all results vary. No one's results are the same depending on how much you mail, and not only that, how consistent you are with your business. We give you all of the training, over 51 ways to market the opportunity. We have a paid Facebook group, and they have a really good support system. So when you get started, as far as the bonuses that I'm going to give you, if you come in at Ruby, Sapphire, Diamond, or Double Diamond, you're going to receive from me a customized flyer that you're going to send out to all potential members. Okay, I'm going to give you 100 of those flyers. You're going to also get stamps in the mail from me directly, and you're going to get a calendar with a blueprint on exactly what you can do to start earning quickly with this opportunity. It's going to give you some different strategies that I have used Not only that, strategies that you can implement when you are not mailing, and these can be offline or online. I give you both. So you're going to get the blueprint, the calendar, copies of the letter, along with stamps when you join at the ruby, sapphire, diamond, or double diamond level. Not only that, at the diamond level, you're going to also receive the website at a no additional charge, okay? That's going to come to you as well. The company is also going to send you out information by mail or email when you join this opportunity, depending on what level you come in at. And they're going to also send you a PDF of this exact same form so you can get your website going and you can start promoting your flyer. So I just want to say thank you for viewing this information. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll be back with you tomorrow with another video. Stay blessed and have a great day. Bye-bye.